The Maserati Bora of 1969 redefined the brand with a mid-engine layout and a dramatic fastback silhouette. It had a 4.7-litre V8 delivering about 310 horsepower and a top speed near 170 miles per hour. As Maserati's first true mid-engine road car since the 1950s, it showcased bold Burton styling and engineering daring. Only a few hundred were built, making Bora a rare collector's icon that influenced future designs. Trivia includes its dramatic rear detailing and the fact that its engine bay set the template for later mid-engine Maseratis.